Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mimo app. You will click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can click on this sign to search about Mimo app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Mimo app. Mimo, like this. And then you will go to this app here. If you find update, then you can know how to update, learn coding, programming Mimo.